Hey, nice meeting you. You can call me Faith. As a sale-oriented web and graphics designer, I ensure that all my deliveries makes your business of scale. That is my main goal and target. So I design landing page, funnels, highly converting funnels that will work and align with this goal, using great user interface that keeps your buyer from the beginning of the process to taking that essential action that you want them to take. I'm good with CRM platforms to help you manage all your customer relationships and make sure that they keep coming back through great campaign design, newsletters, email marketing, and great automations. Just click the contact button and send me hello if you want to get this started with your business and surely upscale it.